In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I feed my birds with corn chaff. Hello everyone, you're welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Okay, so guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I mix my chicken feed, like what I put inside their feed, what I put into their feed, like for them to grow well, for them not to have any issues. Now I don't really put every single thing. I try to put whatever I can afford that is good for their health. So use what you can afford as well. And guys, in order not to waste much of your time, let's just jump right into the video. Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I feed my birds with corn chaff. So this is corn chaff, and I'm going to be mixing it with their feed here, and I'm still going to mix it with fish meal. So I bought this fish meal from the market. I still have some dried fish meal that I'm going to pound. So I'm going to go ahead and pound this ones off camera, but first I'm going to just mix this particular corn chaff with the crayfish chaff, which is this other one I've showed you here. Before using this, I might use little from here. I've used this before, so I remember that I've not even filmed it. I'll just pound it. It's dried. I usually dry it on the sun, so I'm just going to add everything together minus this. I'll start by pouring in the corn chaff. The corn chaff I bought is not really much because the lady wasn't having much, so this is just what I have. So I think I need to get a bigger basin for this mixing because this basin is quite little for it. Okay, right now I have a bigger basin where I'll have enough space. I always prefer drying this myself, but it's no problem. I really wanted to see what I'm drying. Okay, so I'll go ahead and add in their feed to it. So this is their feed. After adding in their feed, I'll go ahead and add in my fish meal. So this is crayfish chaff. See fly. So I'm just going to be adding just 2 of these. And I'll go ahead and mix every single thing together. I even feel this thing is not much. This crayfish chaff, should I add all? Let me add the remaining one, or just little from it. Okay, so I've added, and I need to put my tripod, like just arrange it very well so my hands can walk. So when mixing this, I would advise you just use your hand to pieces the strong corn chaff. Pieces it gradually. I'm just going to mix this very well. I believe I've mixed this very well, but I wasn't the one who dried it. So because when I'm drying I always try to pieces it. That's why I don't like buying the dry one. I always want to come back home and dry it myself. So I'm just going to take and go and give it to my birds now.